say, a very critical situation on the motorcycle market. Honda Africa Twin. There is, let's say, not a big difference in the price. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is another episode of Bike Discussion, and today I would like to discuss, to tell you, to explain you the situation on the Slovenian motorcycle market. So, if you want to know more, please stay with me. Slovenian motorcycle market, it's a very small one, and Slovenia is a small country, as you all know. It has a little bit more than 2 million people, and right now there is a, let's say, a very critical situation on the motorcycle market. This is happening not just 1 year, not just the last year, but I saw that it was similar the last year. So we don't have so many motorcyclists like some big countries like Italy or Germany and so on. But the Slovenian market is a specific one. I would like to point out those very strange, let's say, elements of this market, and the very interesting fact comes from the prices of the new motorcycles and the used, so the second-hand ones. So there is not a huge difference in the price if you would like to buy a new bike, or if you would like to buy a 1 or 2 years old bike. So I really don't know what is the real problem. So if you would like to buy a 10,000 euros bike new and 1 year or 2 years old, the price is in fact almost the same. So there are just minor differences between the new bikes and the 1 or 2 years old bikes. So let's go and check what are these prices, and maybe you can explain it to me and write down your comments in the comment section. Let's say that we are interested into a sport touring segment of bikes, and in this case let's check firstly the price of a new bike. In this case this is Kawasaki Versys 1000, and let's go for the new one right now. So the new one comes, here you can see, 13,471 euro, a brand new bike. And here you can see the price of a almost 4 years old bike, and as you can see, it comes 11,290 euros, and this one covered almost 36,000 kilometers already. So as you can see, there is just a minor difference between the new one and the used one. So this is a 4 years old bike, and the price, it's just 2,000 euros less. So this is the first example. So let's continue to the another one, MT-07. Let's check MT-07. MT-07, a brand new one, and later we will see the price of the used one. So let's go for the new one. Just a moment. Okay, here it's a completely new one. This is 7,500 euros. And here you can see this is a 2 years old bike, and it comes 6,400 euros with already almost 15,000 kilometers. Let's find another bike to compare, and let's go for an adventure bike. In this case we may pick let's say Honda Africa Twin. Let's see Africa Twin, guys. The new one comes 15,000 euros, as you see. So the 23-year model, almost 15,000 euros. And if we compare it to a used one, a second-hand one, we can see that there is let's say not a big difference in the price. The new one, it's 15,000 euros, and this one it's almost 12,000 euros. But we should consider the fact that this one it's 5 years old and is with 43,684 kilometers already, and maybe this one it's also from Italy, not even from Slovenia. This is just another example of very strange prices in Slovenia, and the Slovenian market is small, like I said, and probably things are gonna change sometime, but I cannot predict anything right now. When you think about the prices of the second-hand bikes and those of the new ones, you obviously realize that it is better to go for a new bike in any case, because these prices are almost the same, or let's say in most cases there is just a minor difference between both prices. So I can conclude it that right now, at the moment, it's still better to buy a new bike if you have the money, because the used ones are just too expensive, I believe. So it is up to you, but see it for yourself. Okay, guys. You just saw how ridiculous the Slovenian prices of motorcycles are. So this is something very strange going on in the last 3 or 2 years. I really don't have a clue why is it so, but let's see what will be this year or this season. Hopefully the prices will stabilize, and there will be greater opportunities for the used ones, and the new ones are always the new ones, so we cannot change it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that you find this information useful.